Today we are going to discuss about the cartridge valve. Today we are hydraulic system and hydraulic control valve. There are two types of control valves. One is this one, cartridge type. So this is there are control two types of control valves. One is another one is cartridge valve type. So in how to make regular we will show it control valve. Later we will explain inside what is the difference between body, monoblock and cartridge. It directs the fluid to go for this to the cylinder in different one DC pump, syringe, but and the difficulty is connectors and control valves made of actually in practice we need and it is solenoid valve to clean inside. It is operated by electric some blue holes are coming when power is there, some leakage and other problem on that, and then when current is not there it becomes making spool and body you have to match it and you have to by lapping. This is the so to avoid this pump there is a new method that is called cartridge type. So this is a cartridge type. So in this cartridge type there are four valves 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are called solenoid valves. Cylinder. So that is operated by it comes electric. So when it is on moves magnet it will pull the spool and two sections open is port is open. Called double when you leave it off, when you supply here again it port is closed. So this will move like this and this drained and oil goes to tank. When we supply from this side this will move this side. This is an hydraulic system normal. In every hydraulic system there is a pump. So then there is a cylinder. We are using for demo purpose. Cylinder this is on off valve, two stoves, double stove. So these are all actually moves to use this side solenoid valve in practice. This side, so both sides. In this position it is on. So if you put to move this cross forward and reverse, this we need a control valve that is called directional control valve. So we need four numbers. That so we need this is the four numbers option T. So these are always used in direct RO system in the required side. So it is 100% leak to push pull very easy to. So apart from this, there are for these things relief valves, check valves, some safety locks, valves. So we need some cartridge. This is a pump. It comes here to suit then this. It has got both paws. So to work as a actually cartridge valve. So what we have to do? There are some 1, 2, 3, 4 valves. There are some teeth. This is called one set. So that is superior. That is called 1 and 2. So here this is called one set. So insert the tube. When for that you have to send this side, again you have to bring it back. Otherwise it will start leaking. But close. It is spring loaded, open. So automatically so comes back and when locks. This is open, only opposite side should be in this position. After inserting, when pump first press on, fluid comes here, again goes here, manually you have to bring back, so it goes this way, again it comes here, again there is a T, so that comes here, otherwise sometimes this is valve is closed, so it cannot go, it is goes there is only one way, that goes to starts leaking. Cylinder, I end this is the so because of the same, but only thing the it is piston moves inside this thing, so it is self-locking type, like when you leave it is spring loaded. Always it should be locked, but that oil doesn't allow to move it, so it should be drained to connect. So that's why it comes here. You have to take this is the drain port. This diagram oil. See there is a pump. It will be drained always, so that it reaches the dead end. See when there will be a pump. You want to control valve operate retract this cylinder main this thing again. So control valve means it is called directional control valve. So it directs open the other side, that is 3 and 4, these are all in one position it will pull, one another position it will like push this. And so there again when pump comes that is nothing will happen, it comes so it is stopped, it goes here again it is when it comes stopped, so it has to go T only here divided. So and it pushes the piston and it goes and here reverse. So actually the oil inside is again it comes here, this is stop, move so this cylinder means comes here again, this is close 3 and 4. It is a set, or 1 and 2. So now I will open 1. See, they are connected by single switch. When you operate, both will activate, either off or on. See, in this position, first I will tell you 1 and 2 are open, 3 and 4 are closed. So when pump is there, hydraulic coil comes here, it goes both sides. Here it is closed. So in 1 it is open, it comes here. So again it has got two parts, one is to cylinder, another to port. So 4 is also big and closed. So there is only one way from 1 to cylinder, this end it goes. Give connection. Then the pressure builds up. So because of that, the piston starts moving. But this oil already it is there. It is a two-way acting. Okay. So this oil doesn't allow to move the piston. So this should be drained. So when this pressure is applied, because this solenoid valve 2 is open, that is drains, there is no pressure, and easily this goes back to here and to tank. You have to put it. So similarly other way, when it comes to board 3, say 3 and 4 are open, 1 and 2 are closed. So 3 comes here, this closed, it goes here and it pushes here, it comes back again, it is closed, only 4 is open, so here it goes to this thing. So in practical things, these valves are operated by solenoid. So operator just by pressing it, 1 and 2 will open or close, 3 and 4 open or close. So this is the board. Whenever you have got this type of things, so it is used in vehicles or anywhere, pneumatic system. But for small people, some workshops, they are doing some repairing of cylinders. So after repairing, they want to know whether it is working or not. They have to test, leak test and other things. So they have to operate minimum some 40 to 50 cycles, so that they know what is the condition of the repaired cylinder. So for such people, they can have small only manual valves. So when they want to push this, they have to close this to 1 and 2. When you want to this thing, 3 and 4 like that. But in practical purpose vehicle and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 controlled by electric switch. See, one advantage is in monoblock, the manually operated control valve, so it is very near to the operator. So all the hoses temperature will be at around 80 degrees centigrade. They come to control valve, from there it goes to cylinder, and it is very close to operator, and whenever some hose is burst, so it will hurt the operator. But in this cartridge type, only switch is there, and this cylinder can be anywhere, and pump and the cylinder only there. There is no, it is eliminating the control valve. We did not route the hoses to control valve. So this is the advantage of monoblock and this thing, cartridge valve. See, one more thing, monoblock, it is having a bore and a spool. It should be controlled very this thing, only about 25 microns you have to provide, otherwise it starts leaking if the gap is more. If it is gap is less, when the heat is when oil becomes hot, then it will clog, and there will not be any smooth movement of the spool. So in this case, there is no moving part, only solenoids. It is, when it is magnetized, it will be open. When no current, it will close automatically. So that is the advantage. I will show how to make this circuit. we can, all these things we can put it in a board. So first we need one this thing, some pump to here. So always there is a cutter, so you have to use it. So if you use some other this thing, that face, if it is not perpendicular, that is 90 degree, and any burr, it will not, it will start leaking. To avoid that, always use this thing. This is cutter is nearly 100 rupees. So this is a 1/4 inch pipe to suit this. This is a 1/4 inch T. But in industrial RO, that is RO means aquaguard, water purifier, Kent or anything. But in industrial type hotel and other thing, big industries, it is a big, say 1/2 inch is also available, pipes and other things. So now I will take one small portion. So you have to put like this in the bottom. Automatically if you press, so this is it. Then this inlet, first you have to put back, then press, and it will not go so easily and it will start leak. Always you have to put heavy force. So it is gone. So there are chances of moving inside. Whenever you want to remove, you have to put back, you have to press it. So it is easy. So again putting it back, it should be in closed position. But by accidentally it should not go and become loose. So they have provided one small clip. So this clip you have to put it here. You can now allow this to go back. This is one. So I am not using all the time. This is very stiff. Actually, we can connect a other small flexible. This is drain pipe for same aqua. So it costs around 5 rupees per meter. So we can use this type of things like this. If it is not going, you have to just some glue gun or anything, heat or any small cigar lighter. So that's why so it has gone. Now here we are putting it pump. So this it goes, we can put as we like. So next here two. Now I have put here this one. So there are two outlets here. One is this side, one is this side. So for that again I have to take small piece so that I can put extension, this plastic. This much is sufficient. These two. So same way you have to press heavily, otherwise it may come back. So immediately put one. There is a head here. It will go and sit on here. That head should be this side. This is the head. This should be here the same. Similarly, this same. There is a head here. So this is the pump. So pump we can take wherever you want to put. Same. So this time I will take this much. So you have to put pump. And this is the pump connection. If it's not going, just you have to heat it with glue gun nozzle or any other things. So this is pump outlet. So this is pump inlet. So it should be dipped, at least minimum water should be above this level. So when you keep like this, it should be there. Then this is the outlet. There is a small pump this side and one small motor, DC motor. It works with 3 volts, 6 volts, 9 volts like that. So this is the outlet. So from there again two these things are. So you have to connect some valves also. So it goes to valve. So you have to connect valve. So this is one valve. There is one more valve. So I'll close it. This is a closed position like this. So pump, water comes from pump, it goes, then we can control. This is valve 1, this is valve 3. So from there again 2 T are there. Again there is a one more like this. That is T with now I am making this center where another 2 valves are coming. So again you have to press it heavily, and there is a one drain connection. Again press it heavily, then lock. So there is one more set. So this goes to drain. These two, it will be having valves. So again I have to put one more valve. This one more. There is one more valve. See, I have put two valves. So that is this. So there is one more pipe. It has to go to traffic. So for that you can take any length suitable for draining to tank. So this pipe, actually this is for draining. So this I will close it. This also close it, and this becomes our drain. So you have to put it in a tank. So now we have got the one is inlet, one is outlet. Now we have to interconnect these two. So for that again there is a one valve. There is one more valve. T. So this is a T. So for same purpose you have to put small hole. See, this is the center it goes to. This is one more. This goes to cylinder. This goes to pump. So like this. So it will be like that. So one it goes to cylinder, one goes to pump outlet. We have to make one more set. You have to press, you have to feel that it is touching the bottom. So this do this. Now 1, 2, then center, and this, all the things are done. So what you have to do now, you have to connect this and this side, this. First we will connect this to this. Take any suitable length to this. Two pieces. So up to it is come here. So you have to connect the center portion. See, after putting everything, you can put small glue so no leakage and it will not come out. Now these two are there. You have to interconnect this and this. This is the drain. This is the center portion. Now everything is connected. Now all the things are connected. So what is left? Only you have to connect cylinder and this to tank. So for connecting cylinder, you have to make some small hole here and here. You have to connect these two. Then you have to connect with the pipe.